Morning everybody. Today we will start with the grammar topic, that is story writing. We also call story writing as story composition. Fine. So here is the short notes on story writing. So we will start with a story is a narration of a set of fictitious event used to convey a moral message. What do you mean by this paragraph? कि story क्या है? एक narration है जो हम बनाते हैं या सेट ऑफ फिक्शियस इवेंट मीन्स हमारे पास छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस होते हैं और फिक्शियस इवेंट मीन्स अनरियल इवेंट यूज टू कन्वे विच गिव्स अस मोरल मैसेज मीन्स स्टोरी हम कैसे बनाते हैं, एक अनरियल इवेंट होता है उसको जोड़ के उन सेंटेंसेस को एक सेट बनाकर वी कन्वर्ट इट इनटू अ स्टोरी राइटिंग. सो and it gives a moral message. Keep this thing in mind that every story gives you a moral message. So second point is we write story in past tense. In which tense? Always in past tense. So because that event has already taken place. Now come to the format. First we write title, means title of the story on which the story is based. Okay. Yes. So first is your single paragraph. Story should be in a paragraph form. Be imaginative. You should be imaginative while writing story. Don't go out of logic. Means आप logic से बाहर नहीं जाएंगे. It means irrelevant material नहीं लिखेंगे. Second, follow sequence. You have to follow the sequence. If that means every event is related to the another event. Fine. Yes. Now come to the beginning. So beginning of the story means set up the action. You have to set an action or plot gives background of the story. Means आपको पता चलना चाहिए कि story का background क्या है. Means story किस चीज से related है और builds in a way that catches attention. Means you have to write beginning very attractive that catches attention of everybody whosoever is reading your story. Then next is your middle part. Middle part of the story, incidents and events are explained in detail. जो भी आपके event या incident आप explain करने वाले हो, events, वो बहुत ही डिटेल मैनर में explained होने चाहिए. Arouses more attention of readers. जिससे कि आप whosoever is reading your story, you get the attention of the readers by this middle part. Now the last is end. In end you have to write down climax, happy or sad. Means the incident which happened earlier is results in happiness, sad or climax ending. Moral, you have to write down the moral in the end of the story, unexpected manner. And one thing keep in mind that after title these three paragraphs comes in body section, and your story should be story should be of 150 to 200 words only, not more than that. Means 200 words. Yes. Now this is one example. It had been 2 hours waiting for the train. Ruhi was getting restless. Suddenly she, in every example there will be 1 or 2 lines will be given to you and you have to complete the rest of the stories. So it had been 2 hours. 2 hours हो गए. Who was waiting? Ruhi was waiting at train. So Ruhi was getting restless. Suddenly she. Now you have to complete. So first we have given the title to the story, A Childhood Saved. So it had been 2 hours waiting for the train. आपको starting उसी से करनी है जो sentence given होगा आपको. Ruhi was getting restless. Suddenly she noticed. Why we have written noticed? Because we have to write down the story in past tense. Noticed a child begging at the platform. उसने क्या notice किया कि एक बच्चा platform पर begging कर रहा है. He appeared to be a little sweet boy who had a small bag on his shoulder. कि वो एक छोटा सा sweet boy है जिसने अपने shoulder पे एक bag hang किया हुआ है. She noticed a book in his hand. What she noticed? कि there was one book in his bag. Then Ruhi was eager to know where the child lived. Now she wants to know that where that cute and sweet boy lived. देयर वॉज स्टिल मोर देन एन आवर लेफ्ट फॉर हर ट्रेन टू अराइव. अभी भी 1 घंटा रहता था उसकी ट्रेन को आने में. सो शी गॉट अप एंड स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग हिम. द बॉय मूव्ड आउट ऑफ द स्टेशन. क्या हुआ कि वो बच्चा स्टेशन के बाहर गया एंड एंटर्ड अ स्लम नियर बाय. एंड वहां पर एक स्लम एरिया था. दैट बॉय एंटर्ड इन स्लम एरिया. ही गॉट इन टू अ हाउस which appeared to be a very dirty and unhygienic place. Where that boy lived, in a very dirty and unhygienic place, there were other child beggars in the house. There were so many child who were beggars, who were in the age group of 5 to 12 years. What age group? 5 to 12 years. They were thin and weak. बहुत पतले और weak बच्चे थे वो. They had money but nothing to eat. पैसे तो थे but खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं था. जस्ट देन अ मैन एंटर्ड द हाउस. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, एक मैन ने उसी घर में एंट्री करी एंड देन एंटर्ड द हाउस. द चिल्ड्रन बिकेम क्वाइट. देन चिल्ड्रन बिकेम क्वाइट. When he entered the house, the children became quiet. He asked for the money. And what that man asked for the money they had collected for beggar. When that man asked for the money, the poor children handed all the money they had to him. Ruhi understood that it was a racket of child beggars. Means वो जो man था वो सारे पैसे बच्चों से ले लेता था. She felt pity for those small children. उसको बहुत ही दया आई उन बच्चों पर. She decided to inform the police. Who decided? Ruhi decided to inform the police. The police and an NGO, Bachpan Bachao Andolan, reached the place. Means who reached there? Police and NGO people reached there at that place. The man was arrested and the children were sent under the protection of the NGO. Means वो सारे बच्चों को किसके अंडर भेजा गया? NGO के पास. From where they would be sent to their homes. जहां से उन्होंने उन बच्चों को अपने अपने घरों में पहुंचा दिया. Ruhi felt relieved and was appreciated by everyone. Then for this good work, Ruhi was appreciated by everyone. She was later rewarded by the government. Government ने बाद में उसको reward भी दिया for doing this job, for her effort in rescuing the children. बच्चों को छुड़ाने के लिए जो efforts रूही ने किए उसके लिए उसे award भी मिला. So that's all for today. This I have given you an example also. Now your homework is to do the question which I have given you as an homework. Thank you.